Take this 1,000 naira. Memorize every details on it. You have 20 seconds. Your time starts now. Count with me. Hope the time is not up. Check everything right, every details. I think the time is up now. Plus 4 seconds then. Okay, time up. Bring it. For you to keep it, answer these 5 questions correctly. Number 1, what year was the money printed?
2023.
That is correct. Question 2, which country spent the money?
Nigeria.
That is correct. Question 3, what is the name of the CBN governor?
Olayinka Michael.
Olayemi Michael.
Michael.
That's correct. Fourth question, name one person on the note.